Now let's see the details of the parabola when the vertex is at h comma k and a is positive. So the parabola is taking a turn at the point h comma k, and this is the origin. Notice that vertex is not at the origin, but it is at the point h comma k. Now the equation of this parabola is given as y minus k whole square equals 4a into x minus h. And to now write the details, now let us look into the parent parabola. Parent parabola means that parabola which has its vertex at the origin and takes a right turn. Here also we are dealing with the parabola which takes right turn. Okay. So now I'll just quickly make a list of the details which we already know. And third one is tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex is y-axis, which is x equals 0, which implies x is equal to 0. Fourth one is focus. The focus is at a comma 0. Next is directrix z, which implies x is equal to minus a. Sixth, length of LR, that is 4a. And seventh one is equation of LR. Equation of LR, that is x is equal to a. And lastly, ends of LR. Upper end is a comma 2a. Lower end L dash, it is a comma minus 2a. Now we write the details of this parabola in relation to this. How? It's very simple. Just increase all x details by h, y details by k. Because for this, the vertex is at origin. Now the origin is shifted to h comma k. So x should be increased by h, y detail should be increased by k. So what is the simple technique of writing the details of the parabola whose vertex is at h comma k? Increase x details by h, y details by k. So now let us start writing it down. What is the axis? What is the axis here? Y equals 0. You should increase y details by k. So y equals k. 0 plus k. You add k to whatever the value there. So what is this? Is the axis of the parabola. Now this is y equals 0. So what is this line? Y equals k. Y is equal to k. Now second, what is that? Vertex. That is a. Where is the vertex here? 0 comma 0. So increase 0 by h, 0 plus h, h comma k. So this is the vertex a. And third one is tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex. So if I draw the tangent at the vertex, the tangent at the vertex is y-axis, which is x equals 0. So x equals 0 plus h. That means x equals h. So this line will be x equals h because it is parallel to x equals 0. And the fourth detail is the focus. The focus is for the parent parabola, it is at a comma 0. So it is a plus h comma 0 plus k. That is simply k. A plus h comma 0 plus k. That is k. So where is the focus? The focus is at a plus h comma k. And the fifth detail is about directrix. Z equals, here x equals minus a plus h. You have to increase x details by h. So this will be the directrix, which will be x equals minus a plus h. And the sixth one is about LR. LR is always 4a only. The length of the latus rectum doesn't change. See, you have just taken this parabola and you have fixed it here. So this length will not change, isn't it? See here, what is the length here? 4a. What you have done? You have just taken this parabola and fixed it here. So will this length change? It won't change. Only the positions of all these points will change. Length will not change. And seventh detail is about equation of LR. Equation of LR. And what is the equation of LR here? X equals A. So this should imply x equals A plus h. So if you write the lattice rectum LL dash, and what is this equation? X equals A plus h, and it is parallel to y-axis. Therefore its equation should be of the form x equals some constant, which is in this case is A plus h, and ends of LR, L, increase x detail by h. So how much it becomes? A plus h. Y will become 2a plus k, and L dash is A plus h, and this will become minus 2a plus k. So these are the ends of the lattice rectum.